people, what's going on, my followers? And welcome to episode 3. In this episode of Let's Make Money, Don't Worry About It, or Don't Worry, we're going to talk about experience, the relaxation and passion around success. I'm going to let my avatar take over from here, so here she goes. Remember, if you like the information that I'm sharing, share my video, okay? And definitely follow, because we are going to go, I'm going to go deeper into the fundamentals around this concept of understanding the one true topic that many don't understand. All right, so glad you found this video, and here we go. Take it away.
Thank you, David. In this episode of Don't Worry, Let's Make Money, I'm going to speak to you about a fundamental ingredient around financial success: how to experience a relaxed passion for life. Episode 3. Many people would agree that having passion for one's work is helpful, if not necessary, ingredient for success. Many of these people, however, confuse useful passion with hypes or frenetic behaviors. Passion takes different forms. It can be the feeling of being driven to success, or rolling up your sleeves, or working long hard hours. This hyper-passion can be very exciting, even addicting. The problem with it, though, is that it drains your energy and can be very exhausting. It's generated from external sources, from tight deadlines and big deals. Because of the external nature of this type of passion, a tint of fear always goes along with it. You think, I love this as long as everything works out well. This type of passion also lends itself to boredom. The only time you're having fun is when there's something on the line, when something exciting is happening. The rest of the time can seem like a letdown. You spend your time waiting and looking for more excitement. Another, calmer type of passion is what I like to call relaxed passion. This is a contained, time-release type of feeling that permeates everything you do. It brings joy and great success to virtually anything. Rather than being frenetic, this feeling is more like exhilaration and enthusiasm. It's a much calmer version of excitement. It can be described as excitement without worry. You will feel and think, I love this simply because I'm absorbed in what I'm doing. The way to bring forth this type of passion is to learn to keep your attention fully in the present moment. Try to do only one thing at any given moment and give that one thing your full and complete attention. If you're on the phone, stay focused, be with the person to whom you are speaking. Don't let your mind drift, be there. If your mind does wander, gently bring it back to the present moment. Almost anything we do, preparing a report, speaking to a group, solving a problem, generating an idea, doing a difficult task, and so forth, is a potential source of relaxed passion. And it comes not from exciting, external ventures but from our own attention, our own thinking. Too many of us live in moments past or moments yet to be. When our mind is not right there, in this moment, we suck the joy out of an experience. You can bring passion back into your life and your business dealings by simply being more oriented in the present moment. Your focus and insight will be greatly enhanced, as will your ideas, your creativity and your love life. I hope you enjoyed episode 3 of Don't Worry, Let's Make Money, how to experience a relaxed passion for life.